Is CoinTop really a platform where you can earn 98 cents per YouTube video watch, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael, and many viewers have recently asked me about this platform, so I decided to take a look at myself, and in this CoinTop review I will show you all the details. And just let me reveal right away, there are some very important details you need to know before you spend any time on this platform. So let's start by going over what CoinTop is before I log in and show you how it works. So when you first come to the website, you can see you just need to watch and earn, and then you can earn up to $7 per day. And if you scroll through, you can see there's a video I could earn 82, there's another video 77 cents, and here it says 98 cents for a video, just a small video, and usually you need to watch around 30 seconds. So I definitely understand why it seems appealing and why so many people have asked me. So let me then log in and show you what they do not tell you, but what you definitely need to be aware of. I have now logged into CoinTop, and first of all, I have not seen any videos inside that actually do pay 98 cents. I have seen one that pays 61 cents, so that's also very good for a video compared to what you usually earn by watching videos. So all I need to do is to click to watch it. You can see in this case, for example, I would earn 32 cents, so I would need to click it. And then some kind of spam ad comes up, and that's one thing you need to be aware of. Whatever you click inside here, these spammy ads pop up, and in many cases, in my experience, very unsafe. So if you ever use it, but please do not join until you've heard everything I have to say, then make sure you have a very good antivirus program, because mine has been very busy while I tested this, because there's just so many spam ads coming up. But I'll try again to click it again. Some kind of another scam ad coming up, and then eventually it starts, and then you can see it counts there. So I would need to wait 34 seconds so you don't have to watch the whole video. This is just an embedded video from YouTube, by the way, so it's a little bit strange how you supposedly can earn, but we'll talk more about that later, if you can actually really earn. But let me now just play this, and then I'll come back and show you. You can see right now the earnings up here, just above $6, $6.08. So let me see what it is after 34 seconds. And you can see now it has played like 35 seconds there, and now then a button that is available is say just get the money, so I will need to click that. And then you see now it went into my CoinTop account supposedly, so that also looks really great. And then if you go through, there's also some other tasks where they say you can take surveys and answer quizzes and get 93 cents and watch videos. Usually it's like 5 videos a day, and then you have to come back the next day, and then you can watch another 5 videos. You see this one, now it just told me that I earned those 32 even though they already were there. But anyways, you can see this one would give 56 cents supposedly, and then you can invite friends and get $1 per friend that you invite. But please do not do that, because I will now explain a little bit more about why you definitely should not do that. So let's talk about these payout options and if you really can get paid. So to go to info about the payout option, you need to click this menu up there, and then to click to withdraw. And then often here also these spammy pop-up ads comes up and things like that. But here you can see the supposed payout options, and you see it's some pretty good payout options. You need to earn $80 to be able to withdraw. So first of all, I would not give any of this information to a site like this, and let me explain why. Because the thing is, it looks very promising, but the earnings they offer is completely unrealistic. I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online and many ways to earn by watching videos. And the videos here, it's just random YouTube videos that have embedded. Where do these money come from? There are no advertisers that pay them, because these videos, it's not by advertisers. I can tell you no advertiser would pay that much for a view like this, and none of these people that have these, it's very popular videos they have just embedded. They've just taken them and embedded them from YouTube. It's not advertisers that are paying. So where do these money come from? Well, they do not get any money, and what they get money from is these spammy ads that pop up constantly that are really unsafe. It's some really spammy things that are popping up. So that's how they make money, but they do not make that much that they can actually pay you that much. So this is a copy of what used to be called GameTop. It's the exact same thing that then recently it closed down. The whole design, everything with a few changes changed into CoinTop. So now they kind of figured out now there was enough bad publicity. I also have a video about GameTop where I say like, do not waste your time. It will close down at some point. I can leave a link in the top corner, but it doesn't exist anymore. But you can still check it out if you want to see what I said before it closed down. And this is the same. It's just not sustainable, and they will keep cheating us as long as they can. They make money like this, but when you then reach the payout threshold, you will never get paid because you will start earning less and less and less and less, and it will eventually be impossible to reach our payout threshold. And if you even get close, then suddenly they will say like, oh, you need to invite minimum 15 people or something like that. They will keep coming up with requirements, and you will never get paid. They will make a lot of money from showing you these spammy ads, and you might even put yourself at risk if you end up accidentally clicking any of the information that pops up there, but you will not get paid. It is a complete waste of time. So just to sum it up, if it is not clear by now, CoinTop is a copy of GameTop that closed down because people found out they couldn't make money. So they just changed the concept, changed the name, changed the URL of the website. Then they try it all again and hope people believe that they can earn almost $1 per video they watch. But let me just make it clear, you will never get paid. They will keep making up the requirements. They will keep earning from spammy ads that put you at risk. So just do not join. And if you already did, and if you have already invited other people, then share this video with them and tell them that you're sorry that you invited them for this scam site, and then at least make them aware so they do not waste more time and they do not end up wasting other people's time by inviting other people. So at least then you can apologize like that, because they will not get paid, you will not get paid, no matter how many people you invite, anything like that. It is a waste of time and you're putting yourself at risk. So if you want to make money online for free by watching videos, for example, there are legit methods, but you will not earn 61 cents, 98 cents or anything like that per video. That's just not realistic. Any platform that claims that is just lying to you. But I'll leave links below to methods where you potentially can earn by watching video. Realistically, I have some info about that, but also I will leave a link to a list I have of get paid to sites where you can find higher paying tasks than watching videos, because usually you have to watch a lot of videos to ever reach $1 on sites that are actually legit. So make sure to check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time with a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.